Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, bachelors, working professionals, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who struggles to cook quick meals after a long day or wants simple and tasty food without spending hours in the kitchen, this is especially for you. Let's be honest. Many of us face this situation almost every day. You come back tired, hungry, and the thought of cooking feels like a big task. Sometimes there are too many recipes online, too many ingredients, and it just gets confusing. Or maybe you want to eat homemade food but don't know where to start. And ordering food daily? That's not always healthy or budget-friendly, right? Don't worry, here's something helpful for you: instant dishes preparing for Indian Gents information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, just visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the education section, look for Gents under the living style in rooms as a bachelor and open the food section under the Gents and then select the instant dishes Gents list on that page. This is all about quick, simple, and delicious dishes that you can prepare easily, even if you are not an expert in cooking. These recipes are perfect for busy days, require less effort, and still give you that satisfying homemade taste. Now let's see how you can actually make use of this. First, choose a dish based on your time and mood. If you have very little time, you can go for super quick options like veg masala Maggi, egg Bhurji, or bread omelette. These take just a few minutes and are perfect for instant hunger. Next, check the ingredients. Most of these dishes use simple, everyday items like rice, pappu, eggs, vegetables, or basic spices. For example, dishes like upma, poha, or curd rice are made with ingredients you probably already have at home. Then, follow the preparation steps calmly. You don't need to rush or worry. Start with simple dishes like pappu or paneer bhurji if you are a beginner. They are easy to cook and help you build confidence in the kitchen. After that, try slightly advanced options. Once you get comfortable, you can move on to dishes like vegetable pulav, lemon rice, or tomato rice. These are one-pot meals, very convenient, and give you a complete, filling experience. Finally, explore non-veg options if you prefer. You can try egg fried rice, egg curry, chicken pulav, or even chicken fried rice. These are tasty, protein-rich, and great for a full meal. Even something like fish rice made from leftovers can turn into a delicious dish in minutes. The best part is, you don't need to be a chef to make these. Just a little interest and basic effort is enough. Now let's quickly look at what makes this so useful. One important feature is that these dishes are time-saving and practical. Most recipes are designed for real-life busy schedules, so you can cook without stress. Another great thing is the simplicity. The explanations are easy to understand, and the recipes are flexible. You can adjust ingredients based on what you have at home. So overall, these instant dishes are not just about cooking. They help you become more independent, save money, eat healthier, and feel confident in the kitchen. And honestly, once you start trying a few of these recipes, cooking won't feel like a burden anymore. It can actually become something you enjoy, step by step. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the education section on the Youthbuddy website. And look for Gents under the living style in rooms as a bachelor and open the food section under the Gents and then select the instant dishes Gents list on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.